Thank you very much. I'm very happy to see you here. And by the way, this is going to be a very beautiful journey for you. And this journey is going to be related to English language. In this journey, what I am going to share with you actually, I am going to start the English language, English grammars, vocabs, translation, and so many things related to English from the very scratch. I am going to start today. I am going to start learn something, teach you something about the English grammar, and the grammar going to be start from the very basic. Basic in this sense, I am going to start from the alphabet itself. So it is going to be a very beautiful journey, and I am going to be with you with these sessions. And I think there will be a four type of the videos, and this session you will get on the daily basis. First will be related to about the grammar. Second will be related to daily use sentences, and the third will be related to about the daily use words, and the fourth will be related to the stories. And these all having its own importance that will be putting some value in your life, and definitely after completing this session you will be another level. So let's begin. One more thing I want to share with you, that this session is going to be also recorded in the Hindi medium. If you are not good at the English, if you are not getting each and everything what I am speaking in the English, then go with the Hindi session. And definitely after watching this session, just you have to watch this session also, because the content is going to be same, only there will be difference of the language. So happy to see you here. Let's just start the learning, and let's dive into the learning. First of all, I want to make myself small so that content will be visible for you. So of course this is the day number 1, and sometimes will be that this part will be so many week. So topic is like English basic part. What is the very scratch thing of the English language? It might be in the term of the grammar, it might be the term of the translation, daily use sentence, words, story, or anything related to Hindi. They all start with the alphabet. So first of all, I want to learn about the alphabet. What is the alphabet? As we all know that there is the 26 letter in the alphabet, and there's all a letter combinedly be inside the alphabets. There is no any plural form of the alphabet. Alphabet the itself alphabets, and when two or more alphabet or the letters meet together, then it forms the words. What is the words? In which way you can describe the words? By the way, I have also written the article about the words. I will show you in the upcoming time of period. What is the word? What is the group of alphabet where two or more than two letters meet together and make the words? So what is the word? What is the group of letters? There will be at least two. Whenever two or more than two letters meet together, and that makes a good sense, that is called a word. Like BUY, by. This is making a good sense, so it is the words, and here is the three letters. So one more like BY, by. Here is the also two letters, and it by it is a words. Happiness, happy, presentation, present, future, circumstances, so many things. They all are the word, and here is what? Here is the lots of letters, and the combinedly there's all letters making a words. So next, what is when two or more words meet together, then it form two different type of the things. First one is the phrase, and second one is the clause, and definitely I want to dive into it. What is the phrase? Phrase is the group of word. What? One more time I want to repeat it. Phrase is a group of word which is not going to give an exact meaning. Something like run fast. This is the phrase, because here is the two words. First one is run, and second one is fast. So run fast is a phrase which is not giving an exact meaning, so that it is the call of phrase. Then two or more words meet together, it form a clause or phrase. Phrase is what? Which give an exact meaning, which does not give an exact meaning, and clause is what? Which is also not going to give an exact meaning. But here is the difference between phrase and clause. In a clause, there will be two things that is the mandatory. First one is the subject, and second one is the verbs, but in a phrase there will be no any verb, there will be no any subject, only here will be noun and adjective, sometimes adverbs also, sometimes preposition and conjunction also, but here will not be verb. And as I said that when words meet together it forms first phrase and second clause. Clause is what? It is the also a group of word, but here is the one subject and one is verb. By the way, I am going to let you know more about it with the help of the example. Next thing is like that sentence. Whatever things I am speaking, whatever things you heard, whatever things you learn, whatever things you speak with the other peoples on the phone, with the help of email, with the help of the social media platforms, these all are the group of words. Whatever things I am speaking right now, these all are coming from my mind in the form of sentences. So sentence is very important, and next topic, next session will be related to sentence also. So what is the sentence? Sentence is the, you can say, sentence is the also a group of words which gives a exact meaning. Like he is running, this is the group of word, but it is the giving a exact meaning, so it is the sentence. And the another definition you can make like this: sentence is the group of phrase or clause. What? When phrase or clause meet together and make a complete sense, that is called sentence. Simple meaning you can make with the help of this diagram. Something like, if you have to make the definition of word, then you have just simple, you have to say like that: when two or more alphabet meet together it forms a words. What is the phrase? Phrase is the group of word. What is the clause? Clause is the group of word also, but in the term of phrase it is not giving a exact meaning, but in the term of clause it is giving a exact meaning. But here is the one mandatory things in the clause: there should be a subject or a one verb. What is the sentence? You can say sentence is also a group of word, but in the term of sentence it is giving a exact meaning. Okay, or the another definition you can make like this: sentence is the group of phrase or clause. As I said that he is running, or he is running very fast. What? He is running very fast. Very fast is a phrase, or he is running very fast, he is running a clause. So this is the group of phrase or clause, so it is the sentence. And the one more thing you have to remember in the term of sentence: the sentence always start with the help of subject and end with the full stop. That the some, you can say, star point here. There the so many things you have to learn, but at the beginner you only have to remember that sentence start with subject and end with a full stop. So next, what is, for example, let's learn these all things with the help of example. First of all, about the word. What is the word? What is the group of letters or alphabet which give the exact meaning? Something like hello, Ram, Patna, eat, mango. Those all are the words. In a hello words there is the 5 alphabet or letters. You can say alphabet, but it will be good if you say letters. Here is the 5 letters in the hello word. Here is the 3 letters in the Ram word. Here is the 5 letter also in the Patna word. Here is the 3 letters in the eat word. Here is the 5 letter in the mango word. I think it is clear for you people. What is the word? What is the group of letters which give an exact meaning? Okay. Next is phrase. As I said that phrase is also group of words which does not give an exact meaning. Something like, as an example, you can see best friend. Here is the 2 words. First one is the best and second one is the friend. Best friend is phrase. Best friend is phrase, but it is not giving an exact meaning, so that it is a phrase. Very happy, it is the also phrase. Here is the 2 words. A strong man, it is the also phrase. Lovely dog, it is the also phrase because it is not giving an exact meaning. And the next one is the old west song. Here is the three words. As you can see, first one is old, second one is west, and third one is the song. Old west song, it is the also a phrase because it is not giving an exact meaning. Next is like clouds. As we know that what is the clouds? Clouds is also a group of word, but here should be one subject or one verb. So he eats. He is subject or it's a verb, and it is not giving a exact word, exact meaning of this sentence. So it is a cloud. Sita is dancing. Here is the three words you can say. Here is the first one is the Sita, second one is, and third one is dancing. Sita is dancing. This is the cloud because it is not giving an exact meaning. Sita is dancing. Why Sita is dancing? Where Sita is dancing? What is the purpose behind that? Sita is dancing. Ram, it's mango. I am reading. We are running. And the next one is the sentence. First of all, I want to move myself upward. So let's see. Sentences like he eats an apple. He eats an apple. In the clause term, here is the he eats. What he is eating, I don't know, and also you don't know. But in the sentence term, it is the very clear that he is eating apple. So he eats an apple. This is giving a clear vision, clear meaning of this word. So it is a sentence. And next one is the like we are reading a book. In this term, we are I am reading. So here you can make the another sentence like that. I am reading a book. In this term, this is like a reading. What reading? It is not clear. But in this sentence term, it is very clear that we are reading a book. So it is a sentence. This is in the clause term. It is also a group of words, but it is not giving an exact meaning. But in this sentence, it is also a group of words, but it is giving a exact meaning. So it is in the group of sentence. Next one is he went to the market. This is also a sentence. Jai is dancing in the party. Jai is dancing in the party. Jai is dancing in the party. We will be ready at 8 o'clock. With the help of this something like 5 sentences, you can make more than 50 sentences. How much? More than 50 sentences. And when you start making this sentence, what will be? Your mind will be very clear that with which subject, which type of verb I have to use. And when you will be good upon this all sentences, the verb automatically will start coming with the subject. In my turn, when I have to use the in the present times, I automatically am come. When I have to use the I in the future, automatically will come. I'll means it is the short form of the I will. So make the more sentence with the help of this. Just I am going to make with the help of the he eats an apple 10 sentences. Just 10 sentences. I can make more than 10, but only I am going to make 10 sentences. That will be help you in which way you can make the more sentence. Okay, something like he eats an apple. This is the first sentence, and second one you can make sentence like she eats an apple, he eats an apple. This is the two sentence. Ram eats an apple, Suan eats an apple. Ram eats a mango, Sita eats a mango. We eat an apple, you eat an apple. They eat an apple, we eat an apple. Ram and Sam eats an apple, Sita, Mohan and Suhan eat an apple. That is, I think, more than 10 sentences I have made. So many sentences you can make with the help of one frame of the sentence. Okay, it might be clear in your turn, as we all have seen the example of like word, phrase, clause or sentences. Now it is the term about the alphabet, and so many things we are going to learn about the alphabet right now. So English alphabet. When I See alphabet words, I become so happy because each and everything start with the alphabet, and the lots of people. And one more things I want to put in you that when you will become good at the alphabet, then so many things related to English will be clear for you. Like first pronunciation, second the way of speaking, third will be a way of listening, way of writing, and way of reading. Means five things going to be improved if you will become good at the alphabet, because there is the only 26 letter in the alphabet. But first things I want to share with you that only 26 letter make more than 40 plus sounds, like 44 sounds make. If you get the mastery upon those all 44 sounds, then definitely your pronunciation will be on the skyrocket. You will be on the upper level, something like the native speaker of the English. Okay, so next, move ahead. Alphabet. What is the alphabet? Alphabet is the group of letter. There is the only 26 letter. How much? 26 letter in the alphabet. And out of 26, there is the like conjunction and vowel. Not conjunction, something like, see, these all are the letter of the alphabet. These all are the letter of the alphabet. And the next is type of the alphabet. First one is the consonant and second one is vowel. What? First one is the consonant and second one is vowel. There is the 21 consonant in the alphabet. There is 21 consonant out of 26 alphabet letters, and there is the only 5 vowel out of 26 alphabet letter. I think it is clear for you. It is already clear. We all okay. How many letter is in the consonant? There is a 21 letter in the consonant out of 26, and the remaining letter is the vowel, and there is the 5 vowel. Let's see which is the letters in the consonant, like B, C, D, E means A, E, I, O or U. These all are the vowel. If we took aside the vowel, then the remaining letters will be in the consonant part. Okay, see, A, E, I, O or U, these all are the vowel, and out of these 5 letters, these all are the consonant. Okay, in the vowel there is the 5 letter, in the consonant there is the 21 letter, and when we meet the together consonant and the vowel, it will become 26, which is this 26 letter in the alphabet. Okay, now next, sounds of the alphabet. As I said you that the only 26 letter in the alphabet, but 26 letters make 44 different sounds, and that is what we all have to be good upon those terms. Okay, now sounds of the alphabet. Here is the not 24, here is the 44. Just you have to write here 4. Here is the 44. See, this is the two parts of the alphabet. First one is the consonant and second one is the vowel. As we know that there is a 21 letter in the consonant, but 21 letter make 24 different type of the sounds. How much? 24 different type of the sounds make 21 letter of the consonant. Okay, next one is the vowel. There is only 5 letter in the vowel part, but 5 letters make 20 different type of the sound in the English language. So what I have to do, just we have to be good upon these all words, these all sounds of the alphabet. Definitely each and every part related to English will be automatically improved in your turn. So what is the sound of the alphabet? How many sounds alphabet makes? then we can say that there is the 44 different types of the sound which 26 alphabet letters make, produce. Okay, now for the today this is the more than enough, just we have to practice it. This is why I am sharing with all, because I know and you also know, each and every peoples know all about these terms, but this is the part of this series which is going to be in the front of you, so that I want to share it with you. Okay, let's one more time I want to remind each and every parts which I have discussed with you. First, alphabet, when the two or more letters of the alphabet meet together, they form a words. Then again, it is the phrase and the clause. Phrase is what? This is the group of words that is not give the exact meaning. What is the clause? Clause is also group of word. In the clause there is the two parts that is the mandatory. First one is the subject and second one is the verb. And next one is the sentence. Sentence is what? This is the also group of words, but in the sentence term, sentence give the exact meaning of the words. Like we are reading a book. This is the sentence, and this is the giving an exact meaning what we all are doing. Just we all are reading a book. Next one is the alphabet. We have learned so many things about the alphabet and we all know about it. Just it is the on the basis of repetition. There is the 26 letters in the alphabet and you all are aware about those. That is the two part of the alphabet. First one is the consonant and second one is the vowel. There is the 21 letter in the consonant and there is the 5 letter in the vowel. There is the 44 different type of these sounds in the 26 alphabet. Consonant make 24 different type of the sound, or vowel make 20 different type of the sound. These all are the conclusion of today's learning. Thank you very much. I am very happy being in the front of you. So make sure watch each and every videos. It is going to put so many things in your life. And one more thing, I want to share with you something. Just go in the description box. There will be a link from where you will learn so many things about the alphabet or about the session which is going on. And definitely you will be learn so many things out of there related to English. Spoken words, sentence, grammar, story, so many things you will learn. Just what you have to do, just you have to go inside the description box and there is the given a link. Click upon those and go there. Thank you very much. I am very happy by being with you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.